Welcome back to another Facebook video tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to change your Facebook username or your Facebook name, whichever one you want to do. So let's get started. Start by launching your Facebook app, just like so, and head over to your profile icon. Now tap on Settings and Privacy. Go to Settings. You should be able to access Meta Account Center and tap on it. So here's a quick reminder, please go like the video and subscribe to this channel if this video has been informative so far, because there will be a lot of tutorials to help you out like this. So go subscribe to this channel right now and I'll thank you later for that. All right. So let's continue with the video. Now tap on Profiles. Yep. And tap on Just Miller or whatever your profile is, so you can see your name from here. Now go ahead and make any modification you want to do. I don't know, make any modification. I'm actually not changing mine, so I'm going back. And if it's your username, you can actually do the same, make the same modification you want, but note that this will change the URL and any other thing. So if this video was helpful, please subscribe to this channel. That helps me out a lot and you get to see more informative video like this. Thanks for watching. Peace.